All right, here we go, guys. This is our Mosaic International Hobby, PYT 660. Five cards per pack, 12 packs per box. You guys are going to guess the player on the last numbered parallel, and here we should have a couple, either the gold wave, red wave parallels. Autos are possible, not guaranteed. You can also find the micro mosaics also in here. It's our Mosaic International Hobby. Here's our empty box. 12 packs, again, 5 cards per pack. Good luck to everybody in this one. Up next after this is 24 Topps Chrome Cosmic Football. Grab your spots in that one. That will follow this. There's Jalen Waddle. Puka Nacua. There's Alec Highsmith. Andre Sweat. And Jordan Travis. Jamar Chase. Mark Van Egan. JC Horn on the silver. Anthony Gould. Mike Sanastril for the Commanders. Stephon Diggs. Drew Brees. Ken Anderson. Marshawn Nealon. Rashanu, a rookie there. Nick Bosa. Tom Flores on the Hall of Fame. And we got a Cooper DeJean, rookie silver. Luke McCaffrey, Lab McConkey. You can get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel out of this one. There's DeMarcus Lawrence, Richard Seymour, Greg Dortch on the silver, Michael Hall Jr., Keon Coleman. 24 Topps Chrome Cosmic coming up next. We will be breaking again on Thursday as well. Tua Tagovailoa. There's Khalil Mack, Cameron Jordan, Jacob Cowing, Chris Jenkins. Roquan Smith, Harold Landry, silver national pride of Tyreek Hill, Malik Neighbors, Jonah Ellis. It's top load what we have so far, and we'll get through the rest. Again, we should have a couple numbered parallels in here. You guys are guessing the player on the last of those for 20 in credit. And we do have spots available if you guys want to grab those. There's a link pinned in the chat. There is a code. Also, next to that link, you can copy and paste, use it at checkout to get your 10% off. Here's the next pack. Kyle Duggar. And we're going to have a Scripps Auto. We do. Zach Charbonnet on the red wave. Scripps Auto. Going to Seattle. Nice hit for Seattle. And those autos are not guaranteed. Nice to see one of those. Going to the Seahawks in this one. We have Kobe Turner on the silver. G.C. Latham. Caleb Bullock. C.J. Gardner-Johnson. Max Crosby. Has out of 17, 11 out of 17, our first numbered parallel. Then we got Joe Milton, rookie silver. Michael Penix. Jermaine Burton. Chuba Hubbard. John Taylor. CeeDee Lamb. On the silver there. Darian Arnold. Devontae Walker. Michael Wilson. Marshawn Lloyd. NFL debut of Jonathan Brooks. We got Brian Thomas Jr., Javon Baker. Our final pack of the break. Top Chrome Cosmic Football is coming up next. George Karafalakis. Tua is our final numbered parallel. That is out of 9. 6 out of 9 on the Tua Red Wave. Dylan Wright, rookie silver. Jalen Polk, Jamari Thrash, Kid Reporter card. Stop load recap. Tua was the guest of this break. And Topps Chrome Cosmic Football is coming up next. Also, if you guys want to keep track of all the breaks we have scheduled and everything we have listed, make sure you bookmark that future break schedule page. There's a link for that in the chat. As we put the schedules together, you guys can buy into those spots. And also, all the breaks we have listed on eBay, you can go directly with those links to buy spots from the future break schedule page. Top load this, we'll do our recap, then we'll move on to Topps Chrome Cosmic Football. We had Joe Milton on the silver, CeeDee Lamb, Jonathan Brooks, Kobe Turner, Jalen Wright, Alex Highsmith, J.C. Horn, Ken Anderson, Cooper DeJean, Greg Dortch, Cameron Jordan, Tyreek Hill, National Pride silver, Zach Charbonnet on the Scripps Red Wave Auto, Gold Wave Max Crosby, that is numbered out of 17. And then we got two on the Red Wave, numbered out of 9, 6 out of 9 for the guests of the break. That'll do it for this one. You get the title updated here for the 24 Topps Chrome Cosmic. This is PYT 671.